The Kratky.pl company has broadened the new offer about new products, a fireplace insert with a water jacket called Miele to meet your expectations. Elegant and classic Miele produces maximum warmth. Designed to meet almost any heating need, Miele is as beautiful to behold as it is functional. An intriguing design and customizable features will make this insert the focal point of any room. Miele has a horizontal hearth made with 4mm steel and vermiculite plates on the bottom of the furnace. As a result, the fireplace reaches a very high efficiency. A unique integral air wash system keeps the glass clean and clear for a wide open view of the fire and lets you heat more space in the room. Fireplace Miele with its water jacket can be connected with radiators and a central heating system. You can get hot water using a coil pipe as an additional option. The safety valve gives you protection against overheating. At the same time, the bigger combustion chamber and a glass system allows to place the Miele fireplace in more inaccessible and avant-garde places than square inserts. The insert has regulated legs, so you can set it up in a more comfortable position during installation. The Miele insert comes with dampers, clean glass system, modern handles, and external inlet as standard, and has a microprocessor fireplace controller which helps you save more fuel, extends the combustion process and regulates the temperature in the room. High quality of the materials such as vermiculite, which is new in the fireplace industry, special kinds of steel treated on the bending machines and CNC lasers, and high quality other components, ceramic glass and seal, is a guarantee of long and satisfying usage of our products. More information about the products and offers on www.kratky.eu.